When you download data from Google Analytics, you can download that into Excel, right? Into Google Sheets. Yeah. So how does that change the way that you analyze the data?
A lot of times when you use Google Analytics has a very clear structure of presenting that data to you. But if you really dive into it and you have questions that you can't answer by the tool, you oftentimes find out that the data is actually there, but you can't quite put it together in a way that makes it work for you. So in that case, you might want to work with something like Excel. Excel is obviously the most used tool still in business intelligence and any kind of calculation and spreadsheeting. And so Google Analytics has a functionality to download that data as a CSV file. You could also use specialized tools if you want to update your reporting from time to time. What you can do, obviously, then is not only work with the Google Analytics data, but also you have the ability to connect data, for example, to your CRM system. And then you can connect that data and actually see where did this user come from.
Isn't that amazing? That is mind-blowing. Yeah. That's what...
Yeah, in Excel, you can combine data, but obviously you can also change it around, wrangle it around, make any kind of calculations that make sense to you, and it's much more flexible